Why do you choose to be a teacher?
I choose to become a teacher because this is a noble profession. The fact na this is my passion is teaching, and I really love teaching. Kaya sabi ko sa sarili ko, if I define myself, I am a teacher.
How do you inspire and motivate your students in your lessons?
Well, I simply inspire my students by giving them a reward. I call it the reward reinforcement. Wherein, pag na-perfect sila ng quiz, nagkaroon sila ng mga mataas na grade, I give them something like Starbucks, or if that's a group activity, I give them a group reward, like pizza or anything like free movie. Yan. So, para at least to inspire them, kasi I know mahirap mag-aaral. So, one way to motivate them is to provide them reward.
What do you do to prepare for a certain lesson or class?
To prepare, even if I know the topic already, I still keep on searching and try to learn more. Kasi sabi nga natin, teaching is learning to IT. So kahit alam ko na, I have to look and prepare myself for the class kasi you never know kung ano yung mga tanong ng mga estudyante. So you should always be prepared for the lesson.
When you meet an obstacle in class, what do you do to resolve it?
Well, there are 3 steps, no? Minsan you have to be autocratic wherein yung kung ano yung gusto ko, susundin, but more on, I follow autocratic or democratic, wherein the students are the one making decision. But this time, I think most effective talaga yung participative leadership, wherein if I meet some obstacles, in-observe ko rin yung mga estudyante, and based on my idea, pag may meet kami sa gitna, I think that's the best way, what we call the participative leadership.